In our special series focusing on mental health, today our To Save One Life report takes a closer look at OCD, Obsessive-Compulsive Disorder.
According to the World Health Organization, OCD is one of the top 20 causes of illness-related disability worldwide for people between the ages of 15 and 44. And that's why clinical trials into new treatment options are so important.
Uno, due, tres.
In the movie Matchstick Men, actor Nicolas Cage's character depicts the repetitive behaviors that characterize obsessive-compulsive disorder. It's a condition that Sunrise College student Bisma Sulman has suffered from for years.
I would wash my hands a lot, I would be cleaning all the time until 5 a.m., losing sleep.
It all began around the age of 9, following a traumatic event in her life.
It was just becoming increasingly apparent that something was wrong, that something is preventing me from doing my daily functions, and it was really taking a toll because I was becoming pretty depressed.
There are people who are exhibiting the symptoms, but they are functional, and there are people who have the symptoms, the signs, and the full diagnosis, and they are not functional in the sense that they cannot go out of the house, they cannot fulfill a job, and many other areas of their life are impaired.
Psychiatrist Dr. Jose Gomez is the local investigator for a phase 2 study into a compound called BHV 4157. The study drug aims to regulate abnormalities of glutamate, a naturally occurring neurotransmitter in our brains.
We think with the brain of the human being have to do with also the health and the communication between neurons.
During phase 2 of the double-blind study, researchers are looking at the safety and effectiveness of the investigational drug.
And now we're exploring a whole new way of handling this disorder or this illness in a way that before we didn't have that option.
While Bisma is not part of this clinical trial, she does hope the results will provide new treatment options for OCD.
I think about that sometimes, the possibility of never having compulsions again, and sometimes it just feels like a dream, like a pie in the sky, like it's something that just hasn't happened yet, and sometimes I wonder if it will. I try to stay positive though.
Stay positive. Well, there is a special community awareness event being held right here in South Florida tomorrow. For more information on that and details on the clinical trial as well, look for this story at local10.com.